Good Thursday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on currently on the satellite imagery because not a whole lot going on radar-wise, but the big story continues to be down in the Gulf. This is Hurricane Delta continuing to make its way through the Gulf, and it's going to take a northward turn later today and continue to track toward Louisiana. At this point, the track has shifted a little bit more to the west, so western areas of Louisiana looking like they're going to get the landfall at this point. We'll certainly continue to keep an eye on it, but the more that track continues to shift west, the more that has a favorable impact on our weekend weather. We'll go ahead and get back in closer to home now, and we will turn on the temperatures and the mesofield so you can see what's going on currently. 51 degrees in Salisbury, 50 for most of the area. Or 50s, excuse me, for most of the area. And then out toward the coast, there are some 60s, low 60s going on there. So depending on where you are, you're in the low 50s or you're in the low 60s or in the mid to upper 50s as that transition continues. There are some pockets of warmer air, like up in Jefferson, 60 degrees right now. So pockets of warmer air are still out there and lingering around, and they're going to help us warm up into the 80s today. And we'll take a look at that now as we bring on the model fill. And again, we'll just talk about temperatures because really that's the only big impact we've got going on today. And this is 7 a.m. this morning. So as we move to now, this is now 8 a.m. You can see we're in the 60s, 9, 10, we're in the 70s. So warming up quickly outside today. This is now midday, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. and you see by 3 p.m. we're got a mix of 70s and 80s, so upper 70s, low 80s around the county. And now by 4 p.m. still a mix of upper 70s, low 80s around the county. So we'll keep an eye on that. Model data showing right at 80 degrees for Salisbury by 4 o'clock this afternoon. So we'll certainly, like I said, keep you updated on that. As far as weather impacts go, let's go ahead and pull that up for you. You can see today will be sunny during the daytime hours. Winds will transition to the northeast, and that'll start to bring in some cooler air for the overnight hours. And we'll see much cooler conditions around here on Friday, increasing clouds as we move through the evening hours. So Hurricane Delta, currently a Category 2 storm. The storm's expected to take a turn to the north later today. Landfall is likely along the Louisiana coastline during the afternoon on Friday, and the track continues to shift further to the west, bringing our rainfall totals down. And currently, we're looking at model data showing anywhere from a half an inch to around 3/4 of an inch of rainfall for the county, as most of the heavier rain has shifted off to our west. I'd say the biggest area that's going to get impacted is going to be those southeast facing slopes of the Blue Ridge mountains, and the reason why is all that moisture that's going to get pulled in off the coast is going to really get slammed right up against those mountains and just dump a lot of water in that area. So those areas could see as much as 2 inches of rain or more. But as far as Rowan County, again, we're looking at around a half an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch. There could be some isolated areas that could get up to an inch if a heavy rain band should happen to move through, and that would likely be during the day on Sunday at this point. But again, that track is going to be the important thing. If it continues to shift west, those rainfall totals will continue to go down. If the track were to bobble back a little bit to the east, we'd see a fluctuation in those rainfall totals where they will go up. Still plenty of time because the storm's not expected to make landfall in Louisiana until tomorrow afternoon. So we'll see how things progress over the next 24 to 36 hours. The 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684, or visit them at www.sasloop.com. And mention to them that you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County Weather. If it's your first-time service call, they'll give you $25 off that first-time service call. Today, we'll see sunny skies, high at 82 degrees with a low of 55 and increasing clouds by this evening. On Friday, much cooler, about 10 degrees in some areas, if not more. Partly sunny skies, high of 73. Increasing cloudiness to mostly cloudy by Friday evening with a low of 61. On Saturday, we'll start out the day mostly cloudy, high of 72. Rain chances start to increase as we move into the afternoon hours on Saturday. 60% chance of rain with a low of 63 by Saturday evening. On Sunday, We've got a 70% chance of rain. We could hear a rumble or two of thunder in there. That's why I've got thunderstorms indicated. We'll see a high of 74 and a low of 63. And again, I think most of our rain will come on Sunday. And again, remember, right now we're only looking at about a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. So it's not going to be a complete washout this weekend. If you've got any plans on getting anything done outdoors, I would probably go ahead and try to get it done Saturday morning. Otherwise, the rain will interfere with getting outdoor activities done as we move through the remainder of the weekend. On Monday, we've got a 40% chance of isolated showers, high of 77, low of 62, and that's as the remnants of Delta will continue to move away from the area, from the region. And again, we've got to keep an eye on that track. If it continues to shift west, rain chances will continue to drop. If it moves back east, we'll fluctuate them back up a little bit. If you're looking for ways to get updates from Rowan County weather throughout the day, you can visit us on our website at www.rowancountyweather.com or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for social media. If you know someone who does not utilize the internet or social media, they can check us out on WSRG TV in Salisbury. That is available on Hotwire and on Spectrum, and we'll certainly keep you updated there. For now, we hope you enjoy your Thursday, and as always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather.